Hey everyone, this is Lakshmi from the Department of Data Science, semester 3rd, subject OOPS with Java. Topic object as parameters. Now let us discuss about object in Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language that revolves around the concept of object. Object are instance of classes that encapsulate data and behavior. Understanding how to pose objects as parameters is essential for effective OOP design. What are parameters in Java? Parameters are variables that are used to pass information into methods. They allow methods to receive input so they can perform operations on the data. Parameters can be of any data type, including primitive types and objective types. Passing objects as parameters. Objects can be passed to methods just like primitive data types. When an object passed to a method, the reference to that object is passed, not a copy of that object itself. This means that changes made to object within the method will affect the original object. Benefits of passing objects. Passing objects to method promotes code reusability and modularity. It enables method to operate on complex data structures without needing to know their implementation details. This practice simplifies method signatures and enhances readability. Examples of passing an object. Consider a class named car with attributes like make, model, and year. A method can be defined that accepts a car objects as parameters to display its details. This approach allows that method to work with any car object passed to it, demonstrating flexibility. Mutability and object states. When an object is passed to a method, its states can be modified if it is mutable. For instance, if a method updates the attribute of a car object, these changes persist outside the method. Understanding mutability is crucial for managing object states effectively. Passing immutable objects. Immutable objects such as instance of string class cannot be altered after creation. When passed to a method, any modifications results in a new object rather than affecting the original. These characteristics can help prevent unintended side effects in programs. Common use cases. Objects are often passed as parameters in data structures such as list and maps. They are also used in event handling where event objects are passed to listeners. Additionally, frameworks and libraries frequently utilize object parameters for configuration and customization. Best practice. Always consider the implications of passing mutable objects to methods. Use immutable objects when you want to ensure that the original object remains unchanged. Document the expected behavior of method that modify object states to avoid confusion. Conclusion. Passing objects as parameters is powerful features of Java OOP capabilities. It enhances code organizations and facilitates a clear and logical flow of data. By mastering this concept, developer can create more efficient and maintainable Java applications. This presentation provides a comprehensive overview of using objects as parameters in Java while adhering to the specified format. Common use cases. Objects are often passed as parameters in data structures such as listed maps. They are also used in event handling where event objects are passed to listeners. Additionally, frameworks or libraries frequently utilize object parameters for configuration and customization. Best practice. Always consider the implications of passing mutable objects to methods. Use immutable objects when you want to ensure that the original objects remains unchanged. Document the expected behavior of methods that modify object states to avoid confusion. Conclusion. Passing object as parameter is a powerful feature of Java OOP capabilities. It enhances code organization and facilitates a clear and logical flow of data. By mastering this concept, developer can create more efficient and maintainable Java application. This presentation provides a comprehensive overview of using objects as parameters in Java while adhering to the specific format. Thank